Welcome to Fun Maths. Today we'll be looking at an Olympiad maths problem. If 3 to the power of x plus 1 is 12, then x is what? So for us to solve this, I'm going to rewrite. We already have 3 to the power of x plus 1 as 12. Now, this is in indices. It's an index form. It's the same thing as 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1. Why is that? When you have a to the power of x times a to the power of y, it's the same thing as a to the power of x plus y. So this can also be rewritten as this, same way this can be written as this. So this is 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1. And that's equal to 12. 12 is 3 times 4. Alright. Now, 3 to the power of 1 is just 3, right? So if I divide, I'm going too fast. Okay, 3 to the power of x times 3 is 3 times 4. Now, I can divide both sides by 3, and I'll be able to cancel the 3 that are in both sides. So we have divided by 3. This will cancel this, same with this. We have 3 to the power of x equals to 4. Alright. So what do we do now? We're looking for x, not 3 to the power of x. I'll take the log of both sides. That's log to base 10, log of both sides. So we have log 3 to the power of x equals to log 4. Now, if I can bring x to this side, it will be easy for me. And that is possible. By the laws of logarithm, if you have log a to the power of n, is the same thing as n log a. Alright, so this can be written as x log 3. So we have x log 3 equals log 4 remains log 4. Now, to get the value of x will be easy now because I can divide both sides by log 3. So divide this by log 3, divide this by log 3. This will cancel this, and then we have x equals log 4 divided by log 3. So this will be the final solution. Alright, if you have any question concerning what I just solved, or you have any mathematical question, drop that in the comment section. But before you do that, please like this video and most especially subscribe to this YouTube channel so that whenever I post videos, you'll be notified. Share these videos to others so that they can benefit from it also. Till we meet again, it is goodbye from me.